What's up guys, Solo Satoshi here. Wanted to make a quick video today for you guys explaining how to factory reset your BitAxe device. This comes in handy if you've connected it to the wrong network, you change networks, whatever the case may be. This is a good way to factory reset your device and get it back online. This is a very simple process. It is not hard at all. I think you guys are going to be very surprised. So before we get into that, I want you to take a look at what you're seeing here. This is a newly released product on solosatoshi.com. This is called the AxeStand. So the AxeStand is a 3D printed BitAxe stand. It will support any current BitAxe model that are in this PCB form. It has a notch cut out on the side where the 5-volt barrel jack plugs into. It's lightweight, it's ergonomically friendly, and it has holes in the back to keep your PCB at a safe operating temperature. These come in 3 colors, black, white, and orange, and again, you can find them on solosatoshi.com. So before we get started, we want to make sure that our device is plugged in and powered on, and we want to make sure that we have the correct USB-C cable. Now, when I say correct, I mean it has to be capable of transferring data, not a charge-only cable. So before we plug our cable in from our computer to our BitAxe, we want to go ahead and put the BitAxe in boot mode. So we're going to go ahead and click and hold this boot button. So since our BitAxe is running, we want to go to a search engine and type in BitAxe Web Flasher. Once we search that, we should be given a GitHub page that was put together by WantClue. Shout out to WantClue. He is a badass inside the BitAxe space. So here we have the BitAxe Web Flasher. We'll click into that, and it's going to give you a bunch of different options. If you have the Supra, the Ultra, the Max, or I believe this is a universal one here. This is going to give you the latest and greatest firmware. So just for video, I'll go to BitAxe Supra because that's the one I'm running. Now before we click connect, I will insert the USB-C. Now that that's inserted, I'll connect, and you can see that up at the top, it recognized the COM5 where my cord is plugged in. So let's go ahead and connect. It's going to go ahead and connect and give us this install BitAxe Flasher. That's what we want to do. We're going to go ahead and install it. And now it's that easy. It's going to erase some data. It's going to essentially reboot the device. So now you'll have it back in that factory setting like when you first got it and you plugged it in. It's going to be looking for some Wi-Fi SSID, so now you can connect it wherever you want it to, on whatever network you want it to. So if this doesn't work for you, you will have to download a driver. The driver is what's going to allow your USB-C cord to transfer the data into your BitAxe. So we'll wait for this to finish up, and then we will explore that. Now, as you can see, it starts wrapping up. Once it finishes this, it'll say, congratulations, flashing is complete. Okay, that's good. That's what we want. If the software is unsuccessful at detecting your device, you should be given this screen here. Now, something you want to do before you download drivers is just make sure your device is actually plugged in. You should get some sort of notification or sound on your computer if it's plugged in. And you want to make sure that USB cable could be used for data or is not a power-only cable. So we're given a couple different options down here. I run the first one, Windows and Mac. We'll be brought to a different screen, and we'll go ahead and click Downloads here. It gives you a couple different driver softwares. I click the top one since I'm running Windows, and it'll start to download. We could open that file, and we could extract all of our files here. and we can run updated parameters here. After you do that, the changes should take effect on your computer, your driver should work, and you should be able to just click try again. After you click try again, you should be seeing your device paired here. It should be successful. And then after that, you can click connect and run through all the steps that I said prior. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. So now we're going to reboot the device and see what that looks like. Alright guys, now that the flash is complete, you could either do one or two things. They have a reset button over here to the left above the boot button, or you can simply unplug your device and plug it back in. Now, when you plug your device back in, it's going to try to connect to an SSID. After it does not do so successfully, it should give you the BitAxe SSID that you've seen when you first received the device. And there it is. It gives you the BitAxe SSID that you've seen when you first received the device. And now you can go back through and set this BitAxe up to whatever network you want to. If you don't know how to do that, I did make a video on how to set up your BitAxe and get it connected to Wi-Fi through the Axe OS. So please look out for that if you don't know how to do it. And like and subscribe, guys. That's it. If you guys would like to see any more content relating to BitAxe, please let me know down in the comments. And again, I appreciate all the love and support I've been getting. I appreciate you guys, and be on the lookout for more videos. Thank you.